Hi everyone, I hope you're well and welcome back to the channel. Right, today's review, I don't ever think I've done it on my channel before. So come on over and have a look what we're doing. And it's a candle haul. All these candles were from Aldi. They were £2.99 each and they were in the special buys. Let me all know below if you love candles and where you get your candles from. I love the candles from Aldi because they have such a big range and I've got so many in the house as well. So let me show you. Right, I just wanted to show you my little personal collection that I've got in the living room. The two large candles at the back, they were from Aldi. They are the hotel collection and they are dupes for Jo Malone candles. This candle here, Keith brought that for me a couple of months back in Aldi. This wax melt here, I got that from Aldi the other day in the special buy for £3. And I also buy these wax melts from Aldi. Pomegranate is my absolute favourite smell. I love it. I'm not too sure how much these are. I'll have to have another look. These are from B&M. These are £1.50. And that wax melt at the back, that lights up and changes all different colours and all different settings, and that I had that as a present a couple of months ago. So now you've seen my personal collection of candles and wax melts, let's go back to the little haul that I brought the other day. Like I said, these were in the special buy in Aldi for £2.99 each. This is the set of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dot them around the house. I'm going to light them and we're going to go back and see. And we're going to see what the smell's like. You can't see a smell, can you? We're going to light them and we're going to go back and see whether the smell and the fragrance is strong. So we're going to start with this one. This one's Happy and it's lemon, orange zest and sea salt. And it smells amazing. You can smell the lemon and orange in that. It's really fresh smell. This one is Kind. It's eucalyptus, mint and cedarwood. The only way that I could explain that is like a man's cologne, like a man's soap or something. It smells really nice. And the last one is red berries and tangerine and vanilla. Oh, you can smell the red berries in that. That one smells lovely too. There is no burning time on the bottom of the candles like there normally is. It's just safety. Like, don't leave the candles on their own burning. Don't leave them around your children or your pets. And put something underneath when you're burning them. And be aware that these glass jars do get hot. So be careful. So what we're going to go and do now is we're going to go and review them. Right, I've decided to put the cologne smelling one in the lounge. Here it is. It's on a little mat. And here it is a light. So we're going to shut the doors, shut the windows, and we'll come back and we will review the smell. Right, I've decided to put the zesty lemon and orange one in the kitchen. So here it is a light. And I love the little things on the front, like Happy, like nice bright colours and stuff. It's just, they're just really nice. I just think they're really nice little jars as well. So we'll come back in a bit and we will review this smell. Right, I've put the red beret one in my bedroom. So this is what it looks like lit. So we're going to leave this for a bit and we'll come back and we'll review and see whether it's left a nice fragrance. Right, it's been about 20 minutes now. I can start smelling a little subtle fragrance. It's not a strong fragrance, but give it due, my kitchen is quite large. So maybe if I brought 2 and placed 1 each end, but I can smell a little orangey, lemony smell. So yeah, thumbs up at the moment. So I'm going to blow it out now. Do you know what? When you get close to it, it smells absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, like I said, there's a light, subtle smell. But like I said, my kitchen is a bit on the large side. So maybe if I brought 2 and put 1 each end, maybe it would make it smell a little bit stronger. So that's the Happy lemon, orange zest and sea salt one. Right, I've just walked into my lounge and I can smell a subtle sort of like cologne smell. It's not very strong, but it's not weak. So like again, maybe if I brought 2 and put them different ends of the lounge, maybe. But it smells really nice, you know. So I'm going to blow this one out. So far, so good. Yeah. Right, I've just come in my bedroom and this is the Love one, the red berry, tangerine and vanilla. Again, a subtle smell. Yeah, really good. So I'm going to blow this one out. Yeah, this one seems to smell a bit stronger. When I went back into each room to collect the candles, I could smell the fragrance really strong. So it's a thumbs up for the candles in Aldi. They smell absolutely lovely. Can't keep away, can he? They smell absolutely lovely. So yeah, they were £2.99 each in the special buy, and I give them a thumbs up and rate them quite high actually. I'd probably get 2 for my kitchen because my kitchen is quite big if you wanted a bit of a stronger smell. But yeah, like I said, absolutely amazing candles. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all later. Bye.